just certain information itself, the reason I like to share it is just the information itself already has a benefit. If you know that you cannot experience your own physical death, it's not possible. Instantly leave the body just as the animal does as the physical death occurs, and you are the witness of the physicality of it. Nobody can experience their own physical death, it's not possible. You'd have to be there, and you're not there anymore, so how could you experience it? You know, it doesn't even make sense. To know that is a relief. To know that the time of your departure is already preset is a relief. Why worry about it? You don't have to worry about it, it's all preset. You might as well have a good time, enjoy yourself. If that's set, the calibrated level of consciousness is already set at the time of birth. You're already born at whatever you start out at. So you don't have to feel guilty that, you know, you're not a genius. If you're born with an IQ of 82, you're going to learn what you can at 82 because that's what you're supposed to be doing at 82, is learning how to spell. So we accept that which we are. We say, we give thanks to the Lord that these are many things that are taken out of our hands, that they would be a great burden to us. And we thank thee, Lord, for taking on the responsibility of our life, our human life, our appearance, our departure, and our ultimate destiny. We did Om, and we saw that it calibrated much higher than pronouncing it differently. Consequently, we'll go Om. And I thank you all.